Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is spaghetti. And now, we will cook the spaghetti. And if you're enjoying this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. In a cooking pot, put 2 liters of water. Add 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Pour 1/2 teaspoon of oil. The purpose of this so that the pasta won't stick together. And now, we will boil the water with salt and oil. Cover. Let it boil. Our water is now boiling. We will now add 400 grams of pasta. Once the pasta add to the boiling water, this time, boil uncovered pasta while stirring occasionally. We will cook this for 10 minutes. The pasta now is cooked. This time, we will drain the pasta. And now, it's time to cook the spaghetti sauce. Once oil is heat, add the onions. Add the garlic. Once sauteed the garlic and the onion, add the special ground beef. If you cannot find a special ground beef, you can have a special ground pork, then sauteed. Once the ground beef is cooked, add the hot dog. Saute the hot dog. Once sauteed, add the spaghetti sauce. Then mix. We will put a pinch of salt and black pepper to taste. And now, we will simmer the sauce. And now, our sauce is cooked. To make a yummy spaghetti, I will add this sauce. I will mix this. This is how I make spaghetti that kids love it. Once the spaghetti sauce is blended to the pasta, I'll put a cheese, Thank you for watching. And if you like my video, please subscribe for more videos. Have a great day!